7A. Exercise 1, page 76. 1.
Go on a cable car.
2.
Go on a walking tour.
3.
Take a helicopter tour.
4.
Go on a bus tour.
5.
Go on a bike tour.
6.
Go on a river cruise.
Exercise 2, page 76.
Become an urban explorer. So, you've got your ticket sorted out, your accommodation booked, and your list of must-see attractions ready. Now all you need to do is plan how to get from one sightseeing spot to the next. But what type of transport should you use? Read our transport tips, which will get you going in the right direction and show you the best of the city. Off the beaten track. The hop-on, hop-off bus tours are famous in London, and for good reason. They cover all the major landmarks like Buckingham Palace and the Tower of London. But to get an insider's view of the city, you have to look elsewhere. Bike tours are becoming more and more popular and are an excellent way to get off the beaten track. Riders needn't worry, as safety helmets are provided. If you want to take things at your own pace, then try one of the many walking tours available. Whether you're into food, history, art, or architecture, you should find the perfect tour for you. Smooth sailing. You don't have to stay on land to see the city. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, try a cruise on the River Thames. With regular departures from piers all along the river, you can skip the traffic and enjoy a trip down the water, seeing famous sights such as St. Paul's Cathedral and Shakespeare's Globe Theatre. Up, up and away. Perhaps you're looking for a completely different way to see the city. Well, look no further, as we have two options which offer you the ultimate in sightseeing. Cross the River Thames by cable car from Greenwich Peninsula over 1 kilometre to Royal Victoria Dock. At a height of 90 metres, the 10-minute journey offers views right across the city, so don't forget to take your camera. For a bigger thrill, take a helicopter tour and get ready for an experience which will leave you with a fresh perspective from 1,000 feet up in the air. The panoramic views are spectacular. You must book in advance, and a head for heights is recommended.
Take it easy.